Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Android 8, 0 or newer, about 2 GB free, and a linked Microsoft account so worlds sync. Once confirmed, open Google Play and search for Minecraft. Make sure you're signed into the account you'll use. If a preview requires the Google Play beta, enroll now and accept updates. If it uses the Xbox Insider app, install that next. Don't skip the backup step. It prevents loss when switching builds and makes the process reversible. Now you join the preview channel and install the build. If using Google Play, tap Join Beta and wait for the slot to activate, then update the app. If using Xbox Insider, register for the Minecraft preview ring and follow the in-app install link. You may be given an APK, allow installs from trusted sources, then sideload carefully. Make sure to install over your current app so game data remains. Once done, open Minecraft and verify the preview version in Settings to confirm success. Finish by launching the preview and testing keywords and experimental options you need. If performance or stability is poor, leave the beta or uninstall the preview APK to revert to the stable release. Make sure Play Store updates are allowed to restore the official build. If the app crashes, clear cache first, reboot the device, then try again. As a final tip, restore your backed up worlds if anything went wrong during the switch, and report bugs through the in-app feedback channel so developers can.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.